Stay back a little, hold on.
This is going to be so cool.
It's coming for you.
Oh my
You
goodness.
get a wave? See the guy on there? You
Is this
say
the
hi?
closest you've been to a train that was moving?
No, we've been on one. Like we are right now.
Oh, it's a little train. It's only about 240,000 pounds.
Oh, yeah.
About 14 foot tall.
Yeah, see?
Okay.
This is cool.
Well, what he's going to do now is he's going to make sure that the couplers are kind of centered. Because we don't have any, these are older cars, so they don't have automatic centering couplers.
Everything's manual.
So it's,
Now he's going to pull the train.
yeah.
He has to make sure that they connect. He wants to line it up so they connect.
Besides, we take anything that's free. And, you know, we don't quibble.
Yes.
You're going to connect it.
Oh,
Like you do with your teachers at home, huh?
Oh, this is going to be so cool.
Which is interesting because the coupler weighs more than he does.
Oh my God. He's strong. This is.
Here it comes.
All right. Zachary, here comes the real train.
Say it.
Ooh.
Is it moving?
It's going to connect like you do with your train.
Okay. Hold on.
It's going to bump. It's going to bump. Whoa! That was a big bump.
I got you. I got you.
Okay, let's
Okay,
go.
Bill.